Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 and a half Forestriver No Boundaries 16.6 model trailer. This is a new ultralight lineup for the No Boundaries series, one of their newest floor plans they just come out with. Queen bed in the front, a couple bunks in the back. You've seen the floor plan kind of popped up there. We're going to run through the inside and then head on back to the outside and show you this cool little lightweight trailer. All right, guys, we're now up inside the new No Boundaries 16.6. And we're going to start by looking up here toward the front of the coach and where the master queen bed is. So you've got a traditional RV queen there. And you have a couple little pillows and a little cover that comes with it as well. Overhead cabinets up above, so you do have some extra storage up top there. The 28-inch LED Connexus TV is right here on a swing arm, so you can kind of maneuver that around if you'd like. Again, 12-volt TV, so as long as you at least have battery power, you can fire up your TV. So if you stop at a rest area or Walmart parking lot over the night, you can still kind of watch TV. Pretty cool. New feature for the mid-year model change also, the Dometic 5 cubic foot refrigerator, where previously they were using the 3.7 cubic foot fridge. So you now have a little bit larger refrigerator than the early version. Down below there, you can also see the new central vac dustpan vac thing that they put in here. And basically, it's all linoleum floor in here. So you take a broom, sweep it up, and this has a little step down thing on it. So you can kind of just flip it up and down. Pretty simple. And it does have the option of using a actual hose and everything with it too if you wanted to do that. Doesn't come with that from the factory, but you can purchase the hose system from the factory aftermarket. I'm sorry, not the factory, but the vacuum company aftermarket. Now, part of the kitchen slide out as well, besides the refrigerator and stuff, you have some overhead cabinet here. 2-burner gas stove top. Little high-rise faucet there, small square sink area there. A little bit of storage down below there, along with your convection microwave. So with the convection microwave, you can bake or microwave either one. Really nice little feature for an RV. And then up top, you have your traditional 13.5 BTU air conditioner. So plenty of air conditioning for a small RV like this. They use this same air conditioner in 28, 29-foot travel trailers. Some of these manufacturers do. So definitely will do a good job for you there. And also they have little blinds, pull-down blinds there on your windows and stuff. On the side of the cabinet up here, you have the light switch for the awning and porch light, along with the in and out for the slide, and also the awning itself, along with a couple USB charger ports. Little 2-person dinette that will also make into a bed, so you could sleep 4 to 5 people in here pretty comfortably. The furnace down below right here. And then you also have your electric box with your breakers and fuses over there. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of my videos on these new RVs as they roll in and out. Again, trying to update as many of the new models so you can kind of see the latest and greatest of each version that's coming out. Again, 2 bunks. They're rated for 300 pounds. I like how they kind of built the little ladder in as also part of the support. So you have a ladder to climb up and down to that top bunk. The furnace and air conditioning controls are right there on the side of that wall. And then each kid has their own little pull curtain there to kind of get some privacy. And the bottom bunk, which you'll see when we get outside, does flip up so you can have storage underneath there when traveling. It's got a little bike door thing on the side, and that bike door has a deadbolt lock from inside, and then you also have a double lock on the outside. Now going on back to the back section here is the master bathroom area here. And basically what we've got, I'm going to pop up a little picture to give you a little better view of this because it's hard to get in these smaller bathrooms with a camera. But you've got a fan up top, skylight there. It's not a wet bath, which is great. So that is a nice improvement on a 16 series model. There's a lock on the bathroom door there. You have some storage underneath your sink area, mirror over there, foot flush toilet, and then there is also some cabinets and stuff here, pre-wired for solar panels to the roof if you wanted to do a solar panel feature. Spin on back around here. We are going to head on to the outside of the coach, kind of show you around some of the new features and the new look on the outside of the RV. All right, guys, we're now back on the outside of the new No Boundaries 16.6. As you can see here, we're looking at the front of the RV, and you have the windshield in the front. It is a white fiberglass exterior, and the fiberglass is attached to the Azdel backer to help improve delamination issues and water rot issues and stuff. Put a link down below, kind of show you what that is all about. Check out the Azdel on board information. On the front of the coach, you have a power tongue jack with a little light built in, single 20-pound propane tank, 2-inch hitch ball, safety chains, 7-way Bargman plug, standard RV stuff there. There's room for 1 or 2 batteries to go on the front of the coach. The lower front section is a diamond plate material, steel chassis, aluminum frame construction on the sidewalls, roof, and floor. And you have a little gas hookup down there for a portable grill, if you wanted to do a portable grill there. Looking down the door side of the coach, the new version of the 16 series now has a traditional power awning, and they went from the Thule awning to this awning. Now has an LED light strip built in. It is again power. Has adjustable arms so you can tilt it for water runoff and things like that. And there is still a traditional porch light up there, which is in clear mode now, but you can flip the switch the opposite way and it'll turn to amber. So you have 2 lights on the outside of the coach to really kind of help brighten it up. Again, deep tint safety glass windows. The windows on the side of the coach open, the one in the front does not. Pretty good size storage compartment here, little window pop up there, picture pop up, so you kind of see what that looks like, but decent size area right there for storage. You have 4 stabilizer jacks, 1 on each corner of the coach. Traditional single step going in and out of the RV there. Little folding entry handle to help you get in and out of the RV. You're also going to find next to the door your model number and stuff on the No Boundaries. And you can also see the little Azdel onboard sticker there. I'll stand back here a little bit so you can kind of see a little better. Off-road kind of tires there. So you have Westlake off-road tires, metal fender skirts. Those metal fender skirts are also designed so you can kind of step up onto them. I believe they said they're rated around 250 pounds, somewhere in that range. So you can kind of get up there and kind of do things if you need to. A lot of customers like to buy kayak racks or bike racks, things like that, and put up on the roof of these things. So that'll help you kind of pass that up to the person up top. Electric outlet behind the step there, our fender step there, and also the furnace exhaust just in front of the fender step there. Going on around to the rear here, you can see again more white fiberglass, lower diamond plate, LED taillights and running lights on the coach. Spare tire mounted on the back bumper here. 4-inch square tube bumper, basically a good place to store a dump hose. Ladder going up to the top of the coach. You can kind of see here, we'll pop up a picture there of the roof. It does come standard with the little black tracks to mount the Rhino rack system too, if you want to do that. For the model change, they actually made the Rhino rack system an option. A lot of people, the older clientele didn't really want it, so they made it an option that you can opt in for if you want. The cool thing is, though, you can buy it aftermarket. So if it's not even on the camper from the dealer, you can buy the Rhino Rack system aftermarket, mount it right onto the track that the factory already put up there, and you're good to go. Black tank flush on the corner back here is where you actually kind of help clean out your toilet tank. Let's walk on around the opposite side of this pole here so we can see a little better. Storage door back here. Again, this is in the bunk area, and you can kind of see that pops open. That bunk flips up, and that allows you to put, you know, small grill or bike or scooters, whatever you need to put back there for the kids. Dump area in the back right below that door. There's two handles just behind the tire section there you can kind of see. Also enclosed underbelly on the bottom of the coach with the option to put 12-volt heat pads on the holding tank and fresh water tanks. Now this one was opted in with that, so nice feature there if you are a late fall camper. Just in front of the tire, the detachable 30 amp power cord is located right there, along with the cable inlet there for cable satellite TV stuff. Just below the window in the slide there is an outside utility shower, hot and cold water. And then the two black panels are for venting and maintenance purposes of the refrigerator. 6-gallon gas and electric water heater right here. City water fresh tank fills also located right there. And you can see your low point water drains there as well. And right here is our basic information stickers telling us production date. 12/9 of 2019 was when this particular coach was built. VIN number, model number, axle size, 4,400 pound torsion flex axle. A little bit nicer upgrade compared to a standard leaf spring. ST235/75R 15D range tires. They are again Westlake tires. 65 PSI. Gross vehicle weight, hitch weight, and axle weight combined, 4,760 pounds. Now the actual camper stickers at 3,362 pounds is what this particular camper came in weight-wise. Again, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of my videos. Trying to update a lot of these new RVs as they come in and out so you can see the latest and greatest versions of the models. Check out couchesrvnation.com also. They're one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. They will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV.